The innovation work that I brought here is a component microscope automation mechanism equipped with AI-powered diagnostic assistance software. As we all know, in many healthcare facilities, laboratory technicians suffer their back due to a long working hour under compound-like microscope. Not only it hurts their back, it also has a visual effect due to the exposure to the light source through the lenses. It also affects their decision making because due to long working hour and as a result of fatigue, they might report a false negative. So in order to tackle this challenge, we, a team of engineers, designed this 3D printable microscope automation mechanism equipped with AI tool to assist in diagnosis decision making. The reason I joined R2C, a road to commercialization training, is to seek a partner, to network with different peoples, and to find an investor who is willing to invest in this product for mass manufacture and distribution.